If you are someone who is interested in anything ranging from wildlife photography to the latest machinery in warfare, you definitely would have heard about drones. What was once a novel item is now being used for purposes that go well beyond the use of the casual RC helicopter enthusiast. Drone technology has gotten so advanced in the past decade that you won't believe the kinds of commercial and trade uses this amazing piece of technology has garnered. What are these uses for drones that I'm talking about then? What are their capabilities in today's world? But before we find out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Now let's swoop into this video like a drone and discover their uses. Here are a few of the amazing things we can do with drones. Number 1. Aerial photography. Drones have become a trendy choice for many photographers to expand their horizons. There are drones now that are manufactured for the specific purpose of aerial photography. Drones can come equipped with high-quality cameras, which can record footage at very high resolutions and frame rates. Photographers have taken to drones in their creative process by using them to catch high-quality aerial shots for many purposes, like wildlife, weddings, and even journalism. Drones for photography can start from a price range of $300 and go upwards to tens of thousands of dollars. Number 2. Thermal sensor drones for rescue. The cinemas have ruined an aspect of drones, making these unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs look like they were built for war and to take lives. But in truth, a drone can be molded to suit any purpose, even to save lives. Drones have now been equipped with thermal sensing chips and cameras, so as to assist authorities in searching and rescuing people who have gotten lost or have gotten stuck in some hostile situation, by covertly deploying these devices to detect and track the target's heat signature. These sorts of drones can also be deployed in places that have suffered natural calamities to assist in finding people buried under rubble. Number 3. Safety inspections. Safety inspection jobs are becoming scarce as drones have started to take over the entire operation. While humans are good at detecting problems in structures or machinery by trial and error, it usually poses a big risk to the inspector, as the structure or machinery could collapse or fail on them, causing grievous hurt and/or death in extreme cases. What makes drones such a game-changer in this profession is the fact that the entire process can now be done remotely from a safe distance. Structures like windmills and power lines that require regular checkups had to have a person scale the structure and perform the inspection manually. But now, a drone can be sent up to the structure to ensure all is well, and technology has advanced to such a rate that these very same drones that inspect are even able to do minor repairs if needed. Number 4. Weather forecasting. If you're wondering why your weather forecast has gotten disgustingly good at predicting the weather, you can thank your local metrology team for using drones. Weather drones are becoming increasingly efficient in the field of metrology, as it is able to access heights and gather data about weather conditions in a very accurate manner. The most common type of drone used is called metro drones, which can go up to the edge of the atmosphere and collect data using their power sensors and video cameras for scientists to give a very accurate prediction as to what the weather conditions would be like for the next day or even the next week. Number 5. Shipping and delivery. If you're an avid user of e-commerce websites, you're bound to have gotten your package delayed at some point or another, which has caused you major frustrations and other inconveniences due to this delay. But now, drones can be used to deliver products over long distances or even local areas. But what makes drone deliveries so much better is the fact that they can also be used to deliver supplies in areas affected by natural calamities or war without the major expense of transport. They also help reduce the risk of another person getting into a dangerous situation trying to deliver essential supplies. However, the majority of drone deliveries are used for the purpose of e-commerce. A lot of these e-commerce companies are looking to shift over completely to drone deliveries by the end of this decade. So whatever your need is, be it photography, reconnaissance, or even fighting a fire, drones can be used in your place to do the job more efficiently with minimal risk. These unmanned vehicles have become the most popular choice to replace dangerous human professions and enhance other jobs. So, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content.